In the heart of the rainforest, the earth still speaks. Through every leaf, every stream, every drop of water falling from above, there is wisdom. At Divine Naturalz, we listen. Our products are more than natural. They are aligned with the rhythm of the earth, infused with healing sound frequencies, and crafted with intention. We return to the source so that you may return to yourself. Divine Naturalz, infused by nature, powered by freedom.